Hi, my name is Latasha Martin, and I am the Chief Career Agent at Bonswise Solutions, where we help job seekers and small business owners prepare to have successful connections by providing coaching, training, and teaching on how you can become a good fit. So today's topic is step one in creating a career development plan. A career development plan is something that is really important for you as a job seeker so that you're creating a roadmap for what's next in your career. Now, business owners or business leaders, it is equally important for you if you want to attract and retain and develop the best talent for your organization that you create a model and a strategy to have a career development plan. Now, it can be as formal or informal as you need for your company culture, but the key is you need to make sure you have this. So let's talk about the first step in the career development plan. Step one is very simple. If you are currently working for an organization and you have a job description or you just finished doing your performance review, I would suggest for you to grab those two documents, and as the job seeker, you can use this information to do the step one in this process. And what step one is you grab a piece of paper, and then what you're going to do is you're going to list all of the competencies required for this job. Now, the competencies, just to describe what some of those might look like in your organization, it could be leadership skills, communication skills, problem solving, project management. These are all types of competencies that companies will usually list as a part of their job description. And then during your performance review, when you're reviewing with your manager or a small business owner how your performance has been for the last year, it should be to those things that you're measuring how well or how poorly you did in your work performance for the last year. Now, the thing that's really important as a job seeker is if you're creating your own development plan and you find yourself that you don't know where your job description is or you don't think you have a job description, then what I would tell you is that you still want to go ahead and list a bunch of competencies that you think you need to be successful in your job. And small business owners, what I would suggest for you is when you look at your team right now, hopefully you have a job description, but if you don't have a job description, you can still begin with this process to create those job descriptions. And so what you're going to do as the small business owner is you're going to list the roles that are in your organization, and then on that same piece of paper, you're going to list, here are all the competencies that a person needs in order to be successful in this role to work for our organization. So again, just to recap really quickly, step one in creating a career development plan is to grab a piece of paper and list all of the competencies. And again, if you are a job, hopefully this works, if you're a job seeker, you will begin by grabbing your job description or your past performance review. If you are a small business owner, then what you're going to do is look at the key roles in your organization or the roles. And if you have a job description, you're going to look at those competencies. And if you don't have a job description, you're going to list the competencies that you think that person needs in order to be successful and impact your organization. So again, job seekers, you're going to start with your job description or your past performance review. Small business owner, you're going to look at the roles or the key roles in your organization and list those competencies. That's all I want us to do for step one in your career development plan. And we'll come back again tomorrow and talk about step two. So this is Latasha Martin. I am the Chief Career Agent at Bonswise Solutions, where we help job seekers and small business owners prepare to have successful connections. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.